Hello everyone, you're watching Daily Court Updates with Bar and Bench, where I, Soumya, will be presenting daily updates from courts around the country. Starting with Supreme Court of India, Gautam Navlakha, accused in Bhima Koregaon violence case of 2018, told the Supreme Court today that the top court's order directing that Navlakha be shifted from jail and placed under house arrest is not being complied by the state authorities. The SG informed the court that they have objections to Gautam Navlakha being a Maoist, and now, instead of giving his house address, he has given the address of a library cum stay place of a communist party. The next big update is coming on the issue of demonetization. The Union Finance Minister informed the Supreme Court that the 2016 move of banning the then currency notes of denomination 500 and 1000 was done in consultation with the Reserve Bank of India and subsequently ratified by Parliament. The Union Finance Minister's latest affidavit said that the move boosted digital payments as well as PAN, EPF and ESI enrollments, and a challenge to the same does not survive. The next story is coming from the gruesome Kathua rape incident. The Supreme Court observed on Wednesday that leniency awarded to juveniles under Juvenile Justice Act 2015 is emboldening many juveniles to indulge in heinous crimes. The bench also observed that the rising rates of juvenile delinquency in India is a matter of concern and requires immediate attention. The next breaking news is coming from Gujarat High Court. Just hours after Bar and Bench reported on transfer of Justice Nikhil S. Kareel from Gujarat High Court to Patna High Court, hundreds of advocates including senior advocates gathered in the court hall of Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court to register their protest against the move. On being asked by the Chief Justice Arvind Kumar the reason of the protest, a senior advocate highlighted the proposed transfer and said that it is the death of the independence of judiciary, for which they wish to observe 2 minutes of silence. The Gujarat High Court Advocate Association has decided to abstain from work indefinitely, and they have also resolved to make a representation to the Supreme Court judges who hails from Gujarat High Court against the transfer. The next story is coming from Delhi. The Delhi High Court recently issued a fresh notice to Qatar-based Al Jazeera Media Network after noting that it failed to deposit Rs 10 lakh for allegedly revealing the identity of 2018 Kathua rape and murder case. The court has issued several notices to Qatar-based news channel, despite which it is yet to deposit the money. Thanks for watching this video. To read in detail about these updates, do visit our website. Link is in the description box. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.